just got off work and I'm tired. I don't think I'm gonna go to MLG, which is today. But psych, I'm here. I'm tired, but I'm here. That's already next year, and I'm fucking excited. I can't wait to see the game, see Hector once again. Hopefully, talk to him and see what's up with him. You know, obviously, I already know because of his vlog, but you know, it's nice to talk to the people that you look up to. You know, so we'll see you guys inside. Also, the reason why I'm in construction clothes is because I just got off work. Gang, gang. I don't give a fuck. Because it would have been way too long for me to go back home and then come back. I would have been here late, but I'm here. I'm just waiting on people, my buddies, to get here. So I'm just waiting. I don't want to go inside yet because it is too dark and stuff. So I'm gonna just wait a little bit. Just I swear the entrances couldn't get any more epic.
Staying on brand, I love it. Look at this, I took a well in.
Is it now safe to say that this run by Red Reserve is the simple?
They just fucking won champ. No, not champ. They just won Atlanta. It's fucking crazy. How do you feel like they won? I think I read about it. MLG Atlanta just got finished, y'all. This is the vlog. Leo. This is the vlog. I don't know if you ever vlogged before, but like you just talk to the camera and just try to make it entertaining. This is my new teammate, Leo Damien. We're gonna start GB soon, and y'all already know Alex. Optic lost early today, and I just don't want to talk about it. But I'll update it. I'll update the whole experience once I get home.
Shout out to Rise.
What?
Shout out to Rise.
Alright, so I'm back here home from CWL Atlanta. I wanted to record more on myself, but it was low light, so the video quality for my front-facing camera was very grainy. But I did get a lot of the footage of the matches. It was very exciting. Optic actually lost early on Sunday, Champion League Sunday. And like I was trying to look for Hector to like speak with him. Like I said earlier, it's really nice to talk to the people that you admire. And like I never actually got the chance to see him, so like I'm a little bummed out right now, but it's okay. Like you know, I just gotta keep on grinding, keep on doing what I'm doing, and like not care about what people think as much as I did this weekend. Because like this weekend I went to go with my friends, and I was actually in construction clothes like all 2 days. Sunday I didn't work, so like I was here representing my Still Familiar. Hell yeah. And basically like I was very self-conscious of like what would people think if like they saw me vlogging and stuff, because it's like people within the community, you know. And like later on I was just like, man, fuck it, who cares, you know. Like most likely the people that I'm thinking about want to do the stuff that I'm thinking about as well, and like very few have the balls to actually do it. But like it was very fun. I enjoyed it, and the only thing I can say is thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to know when I upload. We hit 1 million subscribers. Just hit that button. It shows it up right there. Or you can see it right now. And I'm a Jordan Optic. See you.